In today's video, you are learning how to control the uh, the state of this LED and its brightness wirelessly using a potentiometer and a push button. So we are using LoRa two LoRa modules, okay, and of course the brain Arduino Uno. Okay, so we're controlling the PWM and the state of on. A very cool project, okay. So you will like it. We need, I'm using Arduino Uno R4 minima, so you can use a normal Arduino Uno. This Arduino Uno, that's the normal Arduino Uno. Of course, the module LoRa module SX1278, two LoRa modules for wireless communication. An LED display. I mean, OLED display. I'm so sorry. A red LED and a 200 ohm resistor. Okay, guys. So of course that's the potentiometer 10K B10K. Okay, and the push button. Okay, so let's start with connection.
If you
Okay,
want to see
let's
more
setting up
videos,
the transmitter side. So the MISO, if you want, okay, MISO pin of LoRa is going to Arduino pin 12. Is the Arduino pin 12. Okay, and next I need to connect. Okay, the SCK pin, the clock pin is the Arduino pin 13. Now next is the pin. Let me see. MOSI, MOSI. I don't know if how to pronounce it. MOSI. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, is the pin is the Arduino pin 11. MOSI. Next, we we have a jumper wire to for the NSS pin. Okay, and the NSS pin on Arduino Uno is the Arduino pin 10. Now we left with power supply. Okay, so the ground. So we power up the LoRa with 3.3 volts. So if you power it with a 5 volt, you will certainly burn up your device. So don't do it. So use instead 3.3 volt, okay, for powering. Okay, that's the 3.3 volt and of course the ground. Okay, now I need to connect my the potentiometer, guys, is for transmitter. Okay, the potentiometer and this push button. So I connect on the same, I connect them on the same breadboard. Okay, for transmitter. Now that's the middle pin of this potentiometer is going to analog pin A0 to produce digital number. Okay, that we're gonna be sending to the receiver board. Okay, that's the power. So we connect this jumper to Arduino pin 5 volt. Of course, as always, black jumper wire is the ground. Good. Now this is the push button. Our push button. Okay, it's pin 4. Is the Arduino Uno pin 4. Pin 4. That's we are setting up that transmitter side, guys. Okay, transmitter side. Very simple project. Okay, you can reproduce home. Great. Okay, that's great. Okay, so we put aside, we are done with the transmitter. Now that's the receiver. You connect, you follow the same steps to set up the LoRa module. So okay, MISO to pin 12. Okay, next is the SCK, the clock pin 13 of the Arduino Uno. Next is the pin MOSI. MOSI. MOSI is pin 11. Okay. Next is the NSS pin 10. Great. Beautiful. Okay, now power supply. We need to power. These are the jumper wires for powering uh, the device, the LoRa. Okay, so many people ask the range. Okay, I think the max range of these devices 10 km, 10 kilometers. I don't know, miles, maybe miles is less, 8 miles, 7, 9 miles, I don't know. Okay, or more, or 10, 11. Okay, now we need to set up. Okay, the OLED display is for the receiver side, and the LED, OLED and LED. SDA pin, the data pin to analog pin A4. That's SCL. Analog pin A5, and of course VCC to 5 volt. Let me just okay, VCC to 5 volt. Okay, now I need to connect the the ground to ground. Okay, now I need to connect, okay, the LED to the Arduino board, pin 3, okay, pin 3, and the cathode through this 200 ohm resistor to ground. We're done. We're done. Okay, we're done. We're pretty much done. Now I do that to make it if you want to look beautiful, not a mess. So you can do that too. Okay, we're almost done here. We cut it out. Okay, just like that. Boom. Okay, beautiful. We connected the cables for uploading the sketches. Now that's the secret diagram for the transmitter and the receiver. That's the code. Okay, with here, this is the transmitter code. A very simple. That's uh the potentiometer. Okay, analog pin A0. That's the push button pin. I guess pin 4. Pin 4. Yeah. Of course, the push button is the input. I mean, input. Yeah. I mean, the potentiometer is input, and the push button is input pull up. Okay. So the instructions that is going to send the data, and that's the data to be sent, okay, to the receiver, and these instructions will help us to send the data. So don't forget to install the LoRa library for that purpose. Now this is the receiver part. Install the LoRa, okay, as well. I mean, you don't need. We install, okay, the LoRa module. I mean, library once. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to provide as always the sketches, okay, the link for these codes in the video's description. Okay, this is the code for the receiver. It's bigger because we have here the because we integrated the OLED display, and you know, now I'm using Arduino Uno R4 Minima. Okay, I choose the port, and then I hit the bell icon. Now I go, yeah, to upload the sketch. Okay guys, so now I go to the receiver to upload the sketch, Arduino Uno, the port, then I hit the bell icon. Now testing time. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos, okay. Yeah, and if you want to donate, don't hesitate, okay, link in the description if you want to see this channel growing, okay, because money makes grow the channel. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Stay tuned.